Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut PC and loading the project with your media. Once loaded, import the file if needed and drag the clip onto the timeline so it's editable. Click the clip to make the right side inspector show audio controls. This is essential because Capcut applies audio effects per clip. Make sure you're on the correct track and that the clip's waveform is visible, because you will use those audio options as the gateway to change effect type and intensity. You now open the audio section and choose effects. Capcut lists presets like reverb, echo, and bass boost. Select the effect to apply it to your clip. Once applied, adjust the intensity and duration using the on-screen sliders or numeric fields so the change fits the scene. Play the timeline to preview in real time, and if you only want the effect for a segment, split the clip first and apply the effect to that segment. This keeps control precise and non-destructive. You finish by fine-tuning volume, using keyframes for smooth transitions, and exporting a short test render to confirm balance and sync. If an effect doesn't appear, make sure the clip is selected, check that you applied the preset to the clip, not the track, and restart Capcut. Also update the app if necessary. If artifacts or clipping occur, reduce intensity or lower gain, and consider splitting and applying smaller increments so your change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.